Between the roti, kapda or makan, what gets more expensive after the GST rolls out?
Can I still eat out?
Well, if you like going to a bar, then no. But if you like street food, then the GST shouldn't worry.
Wait, can I still go out for coffee?
अरे कोला expensive होने वाला है ना?
Yes and yes. So tea and coffee is going to have just about 5% tax, but your cold drinks will have 28% tax. While your phone bill is going to become more expensive, watching movies will become cheaper. So instead of texting your friends all day long, why not watch a movie with them instead? The standoff between India and China has reached new escalations, with India informing China that the construction of a new road through Sikkim's Doklam area would lead to significant change in status quo with serious security implications for India. Even the Kailash Mansarovar Yatra through Nathula has been cancelled, leaving over 800 devotees disappointed, but also with a big question that how the two nations plan to de-escalate tensions. Human fish and one of the greatest Olympians of all times, Michael Phelps has turned 32 with 28 gold medals and an adorable family to call his own. It hasn't always been smooth sailing for Phelps. Head on over to The Quint to take a look at the Olympian's life so far. What are you doing?
Facebook rant, duh.
What are you doing?
Taking an artsy Instagram.
What are you doing?
Snapchat.
Head on over to The Quint to find out if you're also a social media addict just like these three.
I have a confession to make. I have a problem. I've been tweeting so much that even when talking to people in real life, I tend to speak in tweets. Wait, delete that. Now that this is in 140 characters, it's good to go.
That looks delicious. I want to try some. Can you please share?
Kumail Nanjiani stars in the new film The Big Sick, a real-life story about him and how he actually fell in love with his wife. Anupam Kher plays his father in the film, and while there's always an arranged marriage waiting around the corner in a film about desis, this film has enough honesty in it to place it above the average rom-com. Fun fact, Anupam Kher actually agreed to play Nanjiani's father after Nanjiani's father had requested it specially, and Anupam Kher just could not say no to it.